This is one of your last opportunities to join Avantis. Avantis is a trading platform that builds on top of Base. It's a trading platform and it's one of your last opportunities to join their airdrop, to use the platform to make some money, some nice returns. One of the best things about Avantis is that it is one of my favorite trading platforms. They've got something that is super interesting and I want to show you. So, who is the potential candidate to farm this airdrop? Before we get started, the link for Avantis will be down below in the description. We will go over the valuation, how you can use it to make money, and let's get started. So Avantis, first of all, is a trading platform. You trade on the platform, you get points, which are called trading points, and these points will be turned into tokens during their TG event, which will be happening on September 2025, or maybe October, or maybe August. We don't know exactly, but it's going to be at the end of Q3 2025. So they've got loads of pairs here, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, and loads of others. And what I want you to see here is that they have 400x leverage, or actually 500x leverage. You can go completely degen on these pairs. But they also have got zero slippage for Bitcoin and also ZFP. So what is ZFP? It's a revolutionary protocol that allows you to trade with zero fees. You click this open, you put your collateral, you put your leverage, you can set your take profit and stop loss. And what you do is you can hold this position till you get liquidated or close it without having any borrowing fees. When you earn money, you pay part of your profits for the fees. So if you're a good trader or if you're a bad trader, you can use this to minimize your fees. You can also use this to open up long-term positions without paying any fees. Also, this leverage allows you to make super big returns if you are completely sure about what is going to happen, and it allows you essentially to trade with big leverage for 30, 50 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and make profit that way. So I love this so much. Both of these things are what makes this really nice for me, and I have been trading on this platform for quite a long time, and I've got some very nice returns, $100 in returns and a lot of volume. So why is this a big opportunity? Why is this a good opportunity? We're going to talk about it in just a second. But if you are not good at trading, you can go ahead and provide liquidity in the form of stable coins. USDC, you can deposit on one of these two vaults. You can see here the TVL of each vault. It has grown so much, and you can see the APR. So you can go ahead, deposit USDC, then you can lock the supply of JV USDC for how many days you want, and this is going to boost your APR. So you get a multiplier for the higher period of locks you will put. Now, if you would go with it, I would go with very big size, talking about 100 to 1000 USDC. I would lock for about 2 months till, the date they're going to tokenize, so I can get a 5% APR on my stable coins in a period of 2 months, which is like 2.5% per month, or about 30% on each year. I'm also going to get like this liquidity experience points. So that's what I would do if I wanted a risk-free strategy. But the best place and the best thing to do is to do trading. So one of the things that I like is that this platform is the second biggest perpetual decentralized exchange on Base. It's just a little smaller than SYN Futures in terms of volume, and SYN Futures has tokenized like a few weeks ago. Actually, it's about 7 months ago, but Avantis is stably on the second place, and their volume is very good and sustainable. And this is something that we don't see from the other exchanges of Base. Their volume is so much smaller. So that's something that I like about Avantis. I think their valuation is going to be very close to the SYN Futures valuation. So let's see SYN Futures. They launched at around 1 billion valuation, and their price has been dropping like crazy. It right now sits at 90 billion fully diluted valuation. So we could potentially see Avantis, opening at a price of 100 million, 200 million fully diluted valuation. And this valuation could make you very, very good returns on your liquidity deposits, but most importantly, if you're trading on Avantis and you're profitable, you will be able to rank up so many points that will put you ahead of most people. So if you see the leaderboard here, there are some guys that have done 1.4 billion. This guy is insane. But all of the other guys have not done that much. I have done 270,000. So if you put big trades, if you put good trades, you could easily be one of the 10 guys over here. And if you're profitable, you're going to rank up even faster because using ZFP, you pay fees only with your wins. So if you win a lot and using ZFP, you could easily be one of the top guys here and get a very fat and big airdrop. This platform has a very big potential. They have been improving it so much, and competition is not that big. So if I show you here the trading XP, like there are 20,000 traders in general on average and about 25,000 people providing liquidity. So if you're a whale or if you're a very good trader, profitable trader, I think this is the best platform to trade for the next 2 to 3 months, especially if you trade major coins. Let me tell you a little bit just about its offerings. They've got a variety of coins here. You could also go with blue chip. You could trade XRP as well here. They've got major memes. You can trade layer 1 coins, so you can go ahead on, Celestia and just put a very big short offer, I guess, because these guys, look at that. Look at this chart. Oh my God. It's insane. It's insane. Boom, 99% down in a single year. It's insane. So you could do loads of things. You could also play with AI tokens, DeFi, but they also have got commodities and Forex. So this is super powerful. And, just let me know. They've got also zero slippage on Euro USDC, USDJPY. So, just give it a look. If you're a good trader, this could be a very good place for you to trade. So yeah, hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful. Let me know what you think about Avantis, how much you think it's going to, open up in terms of airdrop and FDV, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.